Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This one is a continuation of my previous vlog where I started it, or rather refresh my summer in the city wardrobe. Basically I'm picking like a few accent items for this summer, or in other words choosing trends that I want to participate in, and also a lot of my basics and essentials got worn out in the end of last summer, so I need to find the replacements for them as well. Part of it has been done in previous vlog, and I aim to finish the most of the rest in this one. So as you can see, I did pull a trigger and got this beautiful long sleeve from brand called MATTEAU. I hope my pronunciation is somewhere close to the right one. And I love it. I love the bright color. I love the oversized cut, the quality and thickness of cotton, and these white sleeves. It's all just right. And to me, the right combo of fabrics and cut is what makes a good piece of clothing. They both always need to be considered together, especially for oversized item, because you really need a fabric that will hold the shape or to make it hang in your body in a beautiful way. This one is perfect, and stripes is a trend this season, but this particular one feels timeless too. And I love this kind of trends when some classic design became very popular for a while. It's my favorite kind of trend to participate in, especially if you don't have this item in your wardrobe yet. Actually, I got something else from MATTEAU too, a blue bikini in the most beautiful print. As soon as I saw it, I fell in love, and they actually have very beautiful dresses in this print as well. And to be honest, I wasn't even planned to get a new swimsuit this summer, because I thought we are gonna spend whole summer in New York City, but just recently we found out that we are gonna be in California this August. So I need to reassess my summer vacation wardrobe now too, and this bikini was literally the first thing that I thought of. I went for high-waisted bottom and triangle top. I kind of tested this kind of bikini shape last summer during our trip to Mallorca. I got a very cheap swimsuit right before our trip. I didn't have a lot of time, but I ended up loving this shape a lot, not the quality. And I still have that one and gonna to use it as a backup. But now I'm super happy that I have this flattering bikini in a good quality as well. And MATTEAU is actually an Australian brand, and when it comes to the swimwear, Aussies, from my experience, are the best, and I can guess why. Speaking about summer vacation wardrobe, one more thing that I'm missing is a beach bag. I talked about it in my previous vlog, but guys, now I know exactly which one I want. The issues are they sold out everywhere, and its price. I'm talking about the Estelle bag from the Row in the brown color. I have this bag on my radar for quite a while, and just recently, last week, I got to see it in real life. I had a meeting and one lady came with this bag, and I have a chance to see it up close. And guys, I'm on a mission now. I don't know if it's gonna be restocked on their website. I think I need to go to their mansion on Madison. It would be cool if I get it in the same way I got my 90s bag. Now finally delivery I got today, and it's sandals, yes, from Zara Home. I noticed some time ago that Zara Home usually have a few shoes option, like in real leather for the outside, and designs are usually very interesting, and I like prices. So I decided to try these leather sandals, and they're perfect, exactly what I needed style-wise. They have this elegant vibe thanks to the pointed toe and thin leather straps, but they also look super comfortable, and the leather feels like solid quality as well. So I will try them out and report back soon. So yesterday I was on Oblique Street and I stopped by two stores, Lisette and Diane. Love these brands and love their stores here in New York City. One of my summer staple navy long sleeve dress got worn out in the end of last summer and I need a replacement, functional, style wise, like long versatile dress. And to be honest, I really like this t-shirt dress trend this summer. I think it might work even better for me for this like summer in the city kind of vibe. And Lisette has a different option of this kind of dresses in different fabrics, colors and slightly different cuts. But there was only one dress of this kind available in my sizes in store. I tried. I love the whole concept, but I'm leaning towards another fabrics. Lisette has such great selection of really good quality fabrics. I love this brand for it. So I might order this dress online. And it was the same for these silky style pants. They didn't have my size in the color that I wanted, but at least I tried a different shade and figure out the fit. So basically I'm really into this contrast of texture thing, and I would love to have this kind of flowy, silky trousers and style them with like big oversized cotton tee or button-down short, and during colder month with like chunky knit. Love it. And actually this kind of pants, they are kind of classic one, but for some reason I have never owned one, so it potentially could be a really good investment piece for me as well. So I do like these pants from Lisette, especially the fabric. It's called Barb, and I actually have a little black dress in this fabric. I bought it last summer and I love it, but I wish the pants were a little bit longer, so I will check around other brands and let's see. At Diane, I was checking the new summer collection, but mostly I was interested in this kind of lace trimmed items like dresses, skirts and shorts, because I really into this kind of looks when elegant lace pop out on the big simple t-shirt or jacket. As I said, contrast of texture, contrast of styles is really my thing this season, looks like. But unfortunately there were not so many items like this in the store, just one dress, and I really like the bottom, but it has too much lace on top for my taste, so keep looking. So I didn't buy anything this time, but I thought I still share with you two items that I picked up earlier this year in March and April, and they're more like spring time items because I really love them. And actually thanks to this weird weather in the beginning of the summer, we either have very hot days or really chill one. I still wear them a lot during summer too. I'm speaking about this blue jacket from H&M and these retro old school Nikes. So I don't know, is it just me or this blue color is the jacket color of the season? I feel like the raw kicked that off with this cool big blue jacket that I really love. So when I saw this one on H&M website, I ordered it in 3 different sizes actually, S, M and L, and I kept the large one for this super oversized and baggy fit. The quality is really good, especially for the price. I paid just $40 for it. It's thick material and holds its shape really well. I love when I find little gems like this in the mass market. And my new Nikes is the Nike Pasific one. I love this low profile old school sneakers trend, and this model didn't get a ton of hype though, which is actually made it easier to buy in size and color I wanted, and I love it. And beige shoes just work with everything I wear. I just realized in my last video I spoke a lot about beige suede shoes that I haven't replaced yet, but I've been loving these Nikes for a few months now, and the price was actually great too. That's it for now, and I have 2 packages on the way, so see you when they arrive. What a lovely long weekend it was. Beach season of summer 2025 has officially opened, and my new MATTEAU bikini is now tasted by the sea, approved by me. I love them. And we also went to the place called MANITOGA. It's the house, studio and big woodland garden around them that has been designed and built by Russell Wright and his wife Mary Einstein back in 50s and 60s. So basically it's one of these mid-century modernist sites in the original landscape that opened to the public now. I love this kind of places, and I think if you are into architecture, interior design, landscape design, furniture and nature in general, you would love this place as well. There are actually several hiking trails in the area around that called MANITOGA, and you can go there any day. It's open for public, but if you want to visit the house and the studio and this little garden around them with a little pond, a little waterfall and a few cute bridges around them, you do need to buy a ticket in advance. And actually it's not that far from New York City, just a little bit more than an hour drive. And the road itself is very beautiful as well because it goes through this Bear Mountains area close to Cold Spring, which is very beautiful. I love this part of upstate New York, so I recommend. And now let's go back to the fashion because I finally received my 2 orders, and it was quite a wait for this one because it came from Australia. Well, I think I have a kind of little tradition because every summer I usually buy 1 new dress and 1 new piece of jewelry, and we know what kind of dress I want to buy this summer, and I think this one is gonna be the jewelry of the summer for me. I think the necklaces is like the most trendiest accessory this summer. I'm seeing so many beautiful versions of it all around on the streets, online. I'm personally really into this micro trend of little tassels, so this is why I decided to buy this long necklace with this ivory pendant in organic shape and silky tassel on a suede strap. The length is adjustable thanks to this little cute thing. And they also have like a total black version of this necklace. I went for the ivory one because I think it will work better with both white and black t-shirts and dresses, which I apparently have a lot and wear a lot during the summer. And I also like this long silhouette because I think it works very well proportion wise as well. And again, one single touch and even very simple summer outfit will become much more elegant thanks to this beautiful necklace. I love it. And by the way, Zara Home sandals are great. To be honest, I didn't have a chance to wear them a lot, like in New Yorkers walk a lot way. So I can't comment fully on comfort yet, but style-wise, great. Love them with a lot of my summer outfits. They will definitely stay with me. And the second item is actually very classic one. It's a silk scarf from Toteme. I actually have one already in a peanut color and I absolutely love it. It's such a great piece to play with, so many ways you can style it and wear it, and especially this year I feel like everyone put their silk scarves on top of long dresses and t-shirts, so I really love it. And style-wise, I wish I had the scarf in a darker color too. So I've been wearing something like this for quite a while, and just a few days ago I saw this one with a 70% off on Farfetch. So I had no doubt, welcome to my wardrobe. I think it's time to wrap this video up. I can't wait to style all of my new beautiful pieces with all-time favorites. And I think the only thing that I really need right now is a long casual dress. All the rest is more like nice to have, like lace trimmed item or silky pants. I also want to go to the Row Mansion on Madison soon to check about Estelle bag and also to try the gala pants maybe. So if all of this sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, please take a good care of yourself and bisous bisous.